in local government, it's often better to be a fast follower than to be the pure innovator, which is to say there are a lot of core systems and technologies out there that function pretty well, and it's sometimes nice to have somebody else test it out and learn for you before you figure it out yourself. But how do you pick that system? How do you know which one to apply? I think the limiting factor for cities in particular, but also applies to tech companies, is this notion of technology leadership. And for me, the way I talk about technology leadership is we know how to manage people, and sometimes we know how to run technology. But who's somebody who understands enough about the technology that they know the right questions to ask, and understands enough about the business, technical aspects of the business, and the complexity of managing people that they understand the realities of what they're getting into. If you can find somebody who can bridge that skill set is something I think you should cultivate in-house in any city, no matter how small. You need some people who are technology leaders. What you don't necessarily need is your own shop of people coding away or your own data science team, partly because those skill sets are ones that you can hire, and also as platforms get better and better, they are also ones that you can sometimes just drop and drag things down into your system that used to require a data scientist or used to require a team of coders. So I think if I were to advise smaller and medium cities all the way up to large cities, I would say if you first identify any technical leaders you have in your organization, you probably have some already, and empower them to make some decisions. And then second, if you don't, or if you don't have enough, which is probably the case, hire some and be prepared to pay.